Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We've got 5 stories for you this week. We're going to talk about the new Action 5. We're going to talk about the Air 3S hit the FCC database. We're going to talk about some Pilot Institute community stuff. We're going to talk about a drone that found a missing girl in Louisiana. And we're going to talk about drone incursions into Wildfire aircraft operations. Let's get started. First up, DJI has released the new Action 5. Action 5 comes with a 1/1.3 inch sensor. It's the same size as the Mini 4 Pro. 10-bit D-Log, HLG, horizon study, subject tracking, a barometer / hydrometer, 47 gigabytes of internal storage, magnetic mounting, 4-hour battery life recording, 113 degree max operating temperature, and connection with the DJI mics. Lots and lots of cool specs. We're going to be getting our hands on one to check out soon, and we will be posting content on it. Next up, the Air 3S has hit the FCC database. We've seen quite a few leaks about the Air 3S, including some boxed images with the RCN3 series controller. Looks to be very much the same aircraft with maybe a larger sensor in a dual camera setup, potentially larger batteries as well. Some other rumors we've seen this week also say that the batteries may be backwards compatible with the Air 3. So we might have the same batteries or very similar batteries like we saw with the Mini 3 Pro to Mini 4 Pro jump. We will have to wait and see if DJI publishes an announcement anytime soon. Normally we see somewhere between 2 and 6 to 8 weeks from when the drone hits the FCC to when it comes out. So Air 3S coming soon. Third up, we've got a pretty big Pilot Institute update. This week, we launched our premium community. The goal of this premium community is to help Part 107 pilots use their certificates to get paid work. So this is after your certificate, and it's structured differently than a course. So in premium, you're going to find tons of interviews. You're going to find short workshops, exclusive content, and it's updated every month. If you're a fan of News Update, we actually have an extended version every week. We're calling it Post-Flight. Each episode, we're going to discuss the News Update stories in more detail. It's going to be Greg, myself, and Ben. And we're going to give some more personal opinions in addition to just the facts, which we try to do here. If you're interested, check out pilotinstitute.com/community and get started. Next up, a drone in Louisiana located a missing child this week. A 10-year-old Louisiana girl was reported missing very early in the day on Sunday. Searchers were unable to locate the girl, and a company actually from Arkansas, Drone Management Services, stepped in to assist. They posted some screenshots that appeared to be using a Mavic 3 thermal. Co-owner Josh Kober located the girl sleeping on the ground with the Mavic and was able to guide in rescuers. Great job, great use of the drone. Don't know for sure what Drone Management Services does exactly, but I don't think they do search and rescue. So great job stepping out of maybe your comfort zone there and helping out. Last up, the National Interagency Fire Center has published data this week about 21 incidents where drones have operated near wildfires. In 10 of these incidents, firefighting aircraft operations were suspended. Generally, firefighting aircraft operate within a TFR, meaning other aircraft, including our drones, are not permitted in that area. This is just kind of a PSA. Be sure to check your TFRs before you go fly, especially if you're out west where we are in wildfire-prone areas. And last but not least, our September photo contest voting is live in the community, and you can vote through the 24th to pick a winner. The theme this month is colorful. Click on your favorite photo in each round that pertains to the colorful theme, and we're going to share the winner on next week's news update. All right, that's all you've got. This will be kind of it for me in the news updates for now. Greg will be back next Monday, so he'll see you then for the live Q&A, and we'll see you on the community for post-flight.
Here's a look at post-flight.
Let's start off with a story that we have not yet covered on News Update yet, so this will be an exclusive to community for now. The drone that was at a Green Day concert.
But I think that's going to be the protocol going forward for a lot of these events. They just can't assume that it's some American idiot.
Green Day.
Get it? Why don't we have them for big concerts? If the logic is that this is for security purposes, Taylor Swift's concert brings probably even more people than an NFL game.
The rumors are true. We do have the DJI Neo here. It is smaller than I thought it was going to be.
Damn, is it loud? It's not. It's high pitch.
It's It does.
So high pitched.
It sounds like the Avata 1 to me.
So you can technically take off right here.
Are you about to do that?
I'm not-
I specifically made this contest so that I would reap the benefits along with the rest.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like to me.
Yeah, it's perfect. Are you guys ready?
Catch the next episode on Monday, exclusively on the Pilot Institute community.